A Black Thursday in Nigeria. A helicopter carrying NNPC personnel and others has crashed in Port Harcourt and 3 persons died. Odutayo Oluseyi, spokesperson of the Ministry of Aviation and Aerospace Development, confirmed the incident in a statement on Thursday being today. According to the statement, the helicopter had 8 persons on board and was on a routine flight from Port Harcourt military base to an oil rig when it crashed into the Atlantic Ocean. The ministry confirmed that 3 bodies have been recovered so far, while search and rescue operations are ongoing to locate the remaining passengers.